just north of Atlanta, and we are at the Hamfest. I'm here with my buddy Heath, and Heath from the show. You guys know him in the chat room. And we have been here all day, and we waited so long to do this. We went and got a bite to eat, and we came back, and everybody's gone. I want you to look around. This was completely full of people earlier. So I just want to qualify that in these convention-type atmospheres, people tend to leave really early. And we're seeing that. Also, they tend not to come back on Sunday. We're actually, this thing's literally, for the most part, already over. Because tomorrow will be just mostly just the hardcore people hanging out and all that kind of stuff. But it's pretty much over. All right, so anyway, we're gonna walk in here. I want to show you guys. This was all over there was tailgaters, and we're heading in here. You can see there behind us, there's still a lot of people here, but they are quite a number of them have already gone. They've got, you can see here a bunch of the different vendors. They're all set up in food. This is not, I don't want to tell you, this is not one of the big, huge Hamfests that you see like Huntsville or something, but I actually prefer the ones that are this size. They've still everything you ever needed to see here. Nice size convention hall here. And I'll show you that these folks here, I'm going to come see them in just a few minutes to buy a name tag, because look at this. They've got all these custom name tags, really cool stuff here. And this is the Wireman Incorporated, certified quality. You guys, anytime you need wire stuff, man, this is the guy. It's called the Wireman Incorporated, and they actually make any piece of wire that you would need right here at the Hamfest. He sits right over there, and he makes up whatever you need him to make up. There he is right there, the Wireman. All right, and then down this way, we can see a bunch of empty tables. Oh, I'm glad these guys are still here, because I'm going to buy a few things from them too. The 2 or 3 tables I still need to buy a few things from are still here. But I did buy an HF radio. I also bought a $20 VHF radio. This is the Parks on the Air table. And Parks on the Air is doing tomorrow. We're going to be doing it tomorrow. With on the air. And that's one of the things right Ham Radio is offering events like Parks on the Air. So many of the events going on right now involve so few people on radio. But now finally we're starting to see Parks on the Air and things like that where it's involving more and more people. Who do we have in here? Canna Club. Hey, what's up, man? I'm not sure what the quality of this is. A lot of these tables have already packed up and left. But we're just going to take a walk around here real quick, and then I'm going to let you guys go. I just wanted to come on and show you where we were today. Hey, what's up, Victor? How you doing, buddy? You can see here all the different things there is to see and do here. There's a lot of, we're starting to see more and more prepper stuff coming in now. Things that are, more like the prepper stuff, more than the just ham radio, like as an entertainment value. They're here to help. They're very helpful. Local about what ham radio. They're here to help. They're very helpful. Local about what ham radio needs to do to get better. And as usual, they're here to help. Look at them. They're right there, here to help. So I just want to say thank you very much, ARRL, for your amazing appearance today at the Hamfest, and also your early departure.
So each one is
There's amateur radio emergency services. As many people know, amateur radio is still used as a tertiary emergency service communication method during large disasters. And so that's what that's all about. These guys here do training. They train you how to be an amateur radio operator. That's worldradioleague.com. They do a great job. But I want to end over here. I want to show you the folks I bought my radio from today. And that is Ham Radio Outlet. Probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, amateur radio. They're in all kinds of places: Arizona, Texas, Oregon, California, and Winter Springs, Florida. And there's also one right near here. So there you go. And that is where I bought my Yazoo radio earlier. from these folks right here. And I am very happy with my purchase, very happy with the price I got. This is not a paid product endorsement. I've already bought the radio and they didn't pay me for the advertisement. But I just wanted to say these folks are great. If you're into ham radio and you haven't checked out Ham Radio Outlet, I know I'm a big fan of Amazon and that kind of stuff, but these guys sell everything Amazon doesn't sell. It's simple. Then these folks over here, I bought a bunch of antennas from them today, and we're getting ready to go talk to them here again in just a few minutes. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick live, guys. We may do a little one later. I'm not sure. I'll let you know. But let me see who we got here. I purchased a Yaesu 7100. I could show you the boxes. They're right over there. But yeah, it's a Yaesu 7100. Bought a package deal. Comes with the speakers and all the accessories and everything. And I am looking forward to hooking it up tomorrow and actually putting it to good use. We're going to do Parks on the Air tomorrow. All right, guys, that's going to be it. I just wanted to show you guys around here at the Hamfest. We will be out tomorrow doing POTA, and we're going to go live every chance we get. So watch for multiple lives tomorrow and possibly a live later this evening. All right, everybody, that's it. Have a good one. My name's Ian, here with Heath. This is Starship Adventures. Thank you for joining us on the adventure, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. 7 3s.